Hello, everyone. The publishing world can seem complex with its own rules and gatekeepers. Ever dreamt of seeing your words in print? Of sharing your stories with the world? The publishing industry might seem overwhelming, but today we're handing you the map. Let's explore this industry and learn how to achieve your publishing dreams. Understand the differences between traditional publishing and self-publishing. Learn the steps involved in getting published. Explore the basics of publishing contracts and rights. Traditional publishing versus self-publishing. Publishing has evolved significantly, offering writers various pathways to get their work published. Traditional publishing. Definition: involves securing a contract with a publishing house, which then handles the production, distribution, and marketing of your book. Pros: access to professional editing, design, marketing, and distribution networks. Cons: highly competitive, can take a long time to secure a contract, and authors often have less control over the final product. Self-publishing: authors publish their books independently, taking on the responsibilities of production, distribution, and marketing. Pros: complete creative control, higher profit margins, and quicker time to market. Cons: requires significant time and effort to manage all aspects of publishing, and it's challenging to reach wide audiences without professional support. Example: The Martian by Andy Weir began as a self-published book, initially released chapter by chapter on his website, before it was picked up by a traditional publisher and became a bestseller. Steps to get published. Traditional publishing. Step 1. Writing and revising your manuscript. Action: ensure your manuscript is as polished as possible before submission. Step 2. Finding a literary agent. Action: research agents who represent your genre, write a compelling query letter, and submit it along with sample chapters and a synopsis. Tip: personalize your query letters to show that you've done your homework on the agent. Step 3. Submitting to publishers. Action: once you secure an agent, they will submit your manuscript to suitable publishers. Step 4. Negotiating the contract. Action: if a publisher is interested, your agent will negotiate the contract terms on your behalf. Step 5. Editing and proofreading. Action: work with the publisher's editorial team to refine your manuscript. Step 6. Design and production. Action: the publisher handles cover design, formatting, and printing. Step 7. Marketing and distribution. Action: the publisher's marketing team will promote your book through various channels. Self-publishing. Key steps in self-publishing. Manuscript preparation. As with traditional publishing, ensure your manuscript is polished. Cover design and formatting. Hire professionals or use self-publishing platforms that offer design services. Distribution platforms. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or Apple Books to distribute your book. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing plan, which may include social media, book signings, and paid advertising. Understanding publishing contracts and rights. When you secure a publishing deal, understanding the contract and your rights is essential. Key elements of a publishing contract. Advance: a lump sum paid to the author by the publisher before the book is published, to be earned back through royalties. Royalties: a percentage of sales that the author receives from each book sold. Rights: specify what rights the publisher is buying. This can include print rights, digital rights, translation rights, film rights, etc. Term and territory: the length of time and geographical area in which the publisher has the rights to publish your book. Manuscript delivery and acceptance: terms outlining the delivery and acceptance of the manuscript, including deadlines and required revisions. Example: understanding these terms allowed Stephen King to secure advantageous conditions in his publishing contracts. This control over his intellectual property led to numerous successful film and television adaptations. Assignment: research a published book you admire and find out which publishing route the author took, traditional, self-publishing, or hybrid. Prepare a brief presentation on the key steps they followed to get their book published and any notable aspects of their publishing contract. Further reading: to learn more about the publishing industry, I recommend reading The Business of Being a Writer by Jane Friedman. It provides comprehensive information about the various aspects of publishing and the business side of writing. The publishing industry has its own set of rules and paths to success, but knowledge and strategy are essential. Whether you choose the traditional route or self-publishing, understanding the process and key terms will empower you to make the right decisions for your career. Each path has its own challenges and rewards, but with the right approach, you'll be sharing your stories with the world in no time. Best of luck on your publishing journey.